Spring is warmth and vitality. In order to resist the cold wind, spinach in early spring increases its sugar content, makes its fiber denser, and its nutritional value increases significantly. A few refreshing side dishes, plus spring rolls wrapped with hope, are the ceremony for Wang Luyang's family to welcome spring. As in previous years, the tradition of eating spring pancakes to welcome the spring has evolved into a custom in Conling village. The sauce is fried with yellow sauce, shredded pork, bean paste, and fungus, and mixed with various fresh vegetables into the round pancakes. What you hold in your hands is full of spring, preserving the excitement and hope of spring. In addition to eating spring cakes, people here also inherit the ritual of welcoming spring, which is beating spring cows. The sound of the whip marks the beginning of spring. From this day forward, the days get longer, the sun gets warmer, everything revives and becomes full of vitality. Spring is here.